In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and clicking on Allow All. Then you need to click on Photos or Albums and hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of. Then hit Select All at the top right corner. Click on one of your photos you wish to keep. And to get rid of the rest, use Remove button at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!